Hello and welcome everyone to another update video here on this channel about Bitcoin, Ethereum and also QNT. I will go deep into the chart, show you all of the price targets which I'm currently following and give you all of the updates about my current trades. I'm actually very bearish and I'm still very bearish, as you maybe know if you're following this channel, and I will provide you with all of my price targets, tell you why this structure looks so bearish for me. If you don't want to miss out on that emergency calls in the future, leave a subscription down below this channel, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you on this channel. And already thank you very much in advance for your support. Thank you very much for your nice comments which you are leaving here every video on this channel. Thank you very much for that. I appreciate it very much, and let's go now straight into the charts and enjoy this video. And in my opinion, this structure, what we have seen here on Ethereum on the 4-hour time frame, it doesn't really give me the option to count it in a more bullish way, because this of course has been an impulse towards the upside which has been corrected here. In my opinion, this was an A wave and a B wave, but I mean, okay, this technically could have been a 1-2 setup towards the upside, and this could have been one as well. But since we had those, let's call it corrective price structures here for such a long time horizon, in my opinion, it's most likely an ending diagonal in a C wave here. So this all in all is a 3-wave move, which is like an A, B, C move. And we will see another dip towards the downside in the target area here, because then this would actually be a 5-wave move towards the upside in a first wave. Then this would be a 3-wave correction here in an A down, an overshooting B up, and a C wave down again to the target. And from there, we can start the next rally here towards the upside in a 3rd wave. So that would actually be my assumption here. We can also go in the smaller time frames to show you here what exactly my price targets are here, or why they are like that. I think the 1-hour time frame would be the right one to tell you, because this is, in my opinion, a B wave low of the B wave. So from there, the wave 1 of the ending diagonal started, the wave 2 started. This, in my opinion, was a wave 3. Because in ending diagonals, it can be that the 3rd and the 5th wave are only 3-wave moves. This is absolutely in line with the Elliott wave rules, with the Elliott wave method. So this can be a 4th wave, and also the 5th wave would be a 3-wave move in the target area here. So that's absolutely my perspective right now. And if we are following here that this was like an A wave of the 5th wave, this was a B wave, and now we are in the C wave of the 5th wave, because I'm tracking it as a 3-wave structure, since the wave 3 also appeared as a 3-wave structure. In my opinion, we would absolutely get the target here as the 100 extension level here of this AB setup, of this AB structure. So this would be approximately at the 1963 US dollar level. So I'm actually expecting it to rise to that level, and then getting a sharp reaction here towards the downside in a C wave, or practically, let's say, in a first wave of the C wave here. Because in my opinion, the C wave can take some time, but I'm thinking it will come down faster than we went up here in this B wave, most likely, because the B wave is corrective, the C wave should be impulsive, so it should not take too much time here to come down. So let's now have a look at the Bitcoin US dollar chart, and there you can see I'm following the same opinion that this was a 5-wave move up here in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has been an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and we're coming down now in a C wave. Because if we're looking here at this structure, this looks also very corrective in my opinion. We saw an impulse up, a correction down, so this was the A and B wave, but that was the point where it started to get a little messy here. So that was the point when this structure here happened. So this looks pretty corrective here, or pretty much like an ending diagonal for me. And yeah, this is right now what I'm tracking here for Bitcoin, that we are coming down once more here in a C wave before the rally here towards the upside can start. Then we can come up all the way between 35 and let's say 38,000 US dollars. That would be then my overall price target. But before, I would rather expect a correction. But that's, however, no financial advice. It's just my personal opinion. I already told you down there, we can now move up in an impulse in a 3rd wave, which I don't consider as too likely right now, or just in a B wave. And that's what actually happened, in my opinion. I can also give you the overall price target. If we are measuring here the bottom of this A wave to the bottom of this B wave, Wow, and this is absolutely perfect in line. You can see if I'm measuring here the extension of the A-B setup here, we absolutely perfect. Hit the 100 extension level. Let's check it out if it's the same for Ethereum, because that would be actually the moment when I really have some confluence here in the chart. Let's now measure this. The A-B high should absolutely here bring us perfectly, wow, to 2,000 US dollars. So, okay. In this case, I'm stretching here my target area a little bit towards the upside, but I already told you in the intro that the 2,000 US dollar level can happen. If we would break the 2,000 US dollar level towards the upside, this would put some doubt on this wave count. But as long as this is an A-B setup, the price target is the 100 extension, which is the 2,000 US dollar level, and we came up here absolutely corrective, or let's say at least in a diagonal. Otherwise it's not possible. That are rather 7-1-2 setups or just an ending diagonal. And I think it's an ending diagonal. This is my personal opinion. Let's now have a look at the QNT chart. There you can see that I'm still expecting a leg towards the downside, but I didn't change that at all. I already told you back then in the beginning of January that those are my two target areas. The first one we hit perfectly, the second one not yet, but I think we are coming down there. I didn't change anything here on the chart, as you can see, and the wave 4 triangle, which I already talked about here, is still in place. So in my opinion, the likelihood is very high that we are seeing the last dip here in the target area between 80 and 95 US dollars before we can get a very nice pump here towards the upside. So that's my personal expectation here right now. If you like this content, if you enjoyed this video, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down in the comment section, activate the small little bell to always get notified when I upload a new video for you on this channel. And I thank you very much, as always, for your nice support, for your appreciation. And if you want to see me on other social media channels as well, check the links out down below the video in the video description to my Instagram, Twitter, and also TikTok. There I frequently post some short update videos as well. Thank you very much for that. And I hope we'll see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.